Easiest way to make biscuit. Very simple and easy. Today we are making use of 500 gram of butter, room temperature please. So add sugar. I'm making use of powdered sugar, 250 gram. I'm also making use of vanilla, just to bring out the taste, eggs and salt. Okay, when you've added these ingredients, start to mix it. Okay, it's so easy and simple. So here I have finished mixing it, added flour 950 grams. Okay, and then I added custard. Essence of adding custard is to make the biscuit stronger when it is cold after baking. So baking powder came in and then I started mixing again. Okay, this process of mixing take a little bit time, but not so much. Remind you, there is no water added to this biscuit. Okay, and then after a little mixing, then I use hand to mix the rest in order not to over mix it. So when I brought it out, I am only trying to fold it here. I am not doing any other thing. So after that, you cut it to the sizes that you want to roll them. Okay, so after that, make an effort to put it in a nylon. Okay, here I'm trying to put each and every one of it in a nylon. This is an easy way of making it retain the coldness, because I'm going to be putting it in the fridge for 1 hour. So this is it. I was able to get 4, so they are going into the refrigerator. Okay, after 1 hour, then bring it out and roll. It doesn't take much of your time. And then there are different types of biscuit shapes depending on what you have or how you want the shape to be. Then take your time to put it into the shape you want. Okay, which you can see I'm doing here. Okay, so because it is cold, it is so easy and everything. So this is the kind of shape I want. So after that, oven tray comes in. Put it in an oven tray and bake. After baking one side of it, please remove it and turn the other side. You can see it is well baked and cold, and this biscuit is kakaraka.